First we start by pouring the glue into the beaker and from the beaker into the applicator. Here we are using a 65ml applicator and a 1.4mm needle, as the product is much thicker than the thin versions. You can also use a witch hat applicator to get a larger flow if needed for bigger jobs. With this product, as it doesn't flow through the gaps, we need to set the product up flat and add some glue on one side of the joint. We recommend to put the glue on the face that stays flat and not the face you lift up. Next, you hold it down firmly for a few seconds. Optionally, you can add another line of glue in between the faces. This creates a waterproof seal for the joint as well as giving it more structural integrity. This procedure is the same for our products AB110 and AB125. AB110 is slower drying and AB125 is faster drying, more focused for industrial use. They also glue different substrates shown at the end of the video.